Rudy Gay tried to create space. KD met him. And they get something in the open floor. Draymond, the middleman. Iguodala hammering it home. The older Spurs. It's their best opportunity to end the series tonight. And to inbound. Clay to end the half. And he got it!
It's Klay Thompson's half. It's Klay Thompson's half.
It's the only player in double figures for either team. And he plays beat the clock and gives the Warriors the 11-point advantage.
Come meet the ball. That's what he did. And then went and picked it up.
And Clay's not done because he's got to talk to Kareth Burke. They're running Durant and Clay off the ball. That guy has a double. Beautifully done. It's really not.
Find some offense somewhere. Someone.
It's Durant on Rudy Gay. And KD attacking and finishing. For too many perimeter shots. Comes right into your living room to hammer that down.
Look how much room in the middle.
Played that 1-4 set. And a big basket and a big time. And you love the Warrior defense all night.